If 2 cos square a by 2 is equal to 1, then find a. 2 cos square a by 2 is equal to 1. Cos square a by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Cos a by 2 is equal to root 1 by 2. Cos a by 2 is equal to 1 by root 2. Cos a by 2 is equal to cos 45 degrees. A by 2 is equal to 45 degrees. A is equal to 45 degrees into 2 is equal to 90 degrees. If root 3 sine theta minus cos theta is equal to 0 and 0 degrees less than theta less than 90 degrees, find the value of theta. Root 3 sine theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. Root 3 sine theta is equal to cos theta. Sine theta by cos theta is equal to 1 by root 3. Sine theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta is equal to tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees is equal to sine 30 degrees divided by cos 30 degrees. Sine 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2 divided by cos 30 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2, that is equal to 1 by root 3. Theta is equal to 30 degrees, which is greater than 0 degrees, less than 90 degrees.